Hello, today I'm going to show you how to play the game Roll and Record. And I'm going to try to get that up on our screen so you can see the game, and then you can see me also, because I'm going to show you how to record your answers. When you play the game Roll and Record, you're going to need 2 dice, as you see here. So you roll them. Alright, so I have a 3 and a 2. Alright, so then you're going to have a recording sheet, as you see here, and at the bottom you have numbers from 2 through 12, I believe. Yes. Now this is a trick that I learned from some students in years past. They would start with 3 and they would count 2 more. 1, 2. All right, so the sum of 3 and 2 is 5. So you would fill in the first square on your recording sheet. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do it here with a marker. You can use pencil, you can use crayon, you can use marker, whatever you happen to have at home that you would like to use. So as you can see, I filled in the 5 because 3 plus 2 is 5. So let's do another one. All right, we have 2 plus 2. Well, that's an easy doubles fact. We know in our heart that 2 plus 2 is 4. So I'm going to find 4 on my recording sheet, and I'm going to fill in the square right above the 4. All right, let's do it again. All right, we have 6 and 3. I always like to start with the larger number because that makes your counting more efficient. All right, so 6, 7, 8, 9. That's one strategy. Another thing you can do, like I said, I've learned from some students that they like to start on use this as a number line, and they would start at a 6 and go 1, 2, 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9, so I'm going to fill in the 9. So you would keep playing this game, and the numbers are kind of racing. You want to see what number gets to the top of your graph first. And as soon as you get a number at the top of your graph, your game is over. And if you really like playing this game, you might want to see what number comes in second place and maybe what number comes in third place. I hope you have fun playing Roll and Record.